Hello students, in the previous class we have learned how to show fractions on the number line. Today let us learn multiplication of fractions. So how to multiply the given fractions. So you should remember this point when multiplying a fraction. Remember this point. When multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerators is written in the numerator and that of the denominators in the denominator. That means, for example, so multiply 2 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. So how to multiply this fraction? Multiply numerator by numerator and write the product in the numerator. Okay, multiply numerator by numerator. Numerator is here, it is 2 and here 3. 2 into 3. So similarly multiply denominator by denominator, 7 into 5. Then write the product in the numerator and in the denominator. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and denominator 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Okay, it is very easy. So multiplication of fraction is very easy. Multiply numerator by numerator and write the product in the numerator, and multiply denominator by denominator and write the product in the denominator. Now let's go to practice set 12. The first question here it is given. So 7 upon 5 into 1 upon 4. So what we should do? Multiply numerator by numerator, 7 into 1 upon, here denominator is, multiply denominator by denominator, 5 into 4. Okay, then so write the product in the numerator. 7 into 1 is 7, 5 4s are 20. So this is the answer. Now second question, 6 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. Okay, so how to multiply these? Multiply numerator by numerator, 6 into 2 upon denominator by denominator, 7 into 5. So this is equal to 6 2s are 12, 7 5s are 35. Okay, now here question number 3, that is the homework. Practice set 12, question number 3, homework. Now I am going to solve question number 4. 4 upon 11 multiplied by 2 upon 7. So that is equal to 4 into 2. Multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, 11 into 7. 4 2s are 8, 11 7s are 77. Correct? Next, fifth one is again homework. Now I am doing sixth one. Sixth one, 9 upon 7 into 7 upon 8. So multiply numerator by numerator, 9 into 7, denominator by denominator, that is 7 into 8. So 9 7s are how much? 60. 9 7s are 63, right? Next, 7 8s are 56. Correct na students? 9 7s are 63, 7 8s are 56. Now if this is divisible, then you can divide and write. You know, in 5th standard you have studied how to find out equivalent fraction. So 63 and 56, it is divisible by 7, correct? Divisible by 7. 7 9s are 63 and 7 8s are 56. So you can divide this by 7 if it is divisible, both numerator and denominator. So divide by 7. 7 9s are 63, 7 8s are 56. Now 9 upon 8 we cannot divide further, it is not divisible, correct? So this is the answer. Or you can keep, you can write this also, 63 upon 56, that is also correct. Now next, now which is that sixth one. Seventh one is homework, and now I am doing eighth one. Seventh is the homework, eighth one. 6 upon 17 multiplied by 3 upon 2. So multiply this numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. correct? So here 6 3s are 18, 17 2s are 34, correct? So you can simplify this. So 18 and 34 are divisible by which table it comes? 18 and 34, I think so, divisible by 2, correct? So divide this by 2, 18 and 34, divide by 2, then you will get 2 9s are 18, correct? 18 by 2 is 9, 2 9s are 18, so 34 by 2, that means 2 how much is 34? 2 17s are 34, so 34 by 2 you will get 17. So this we cannot divide further, so 9 upon 17 is the answer. Okay, understood students how to multiply a fraction? Let's go to the second question now. Here word problem is given. Question number 2. Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21 acres. What is the area of the banana plantation? So students, here what is given? Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21 acres. 21 acres means what? It is the area of field. So 1 acre means 4047 square meter. 1 acre means how much? 4047 square meter. So what is the area of his field? 21 acres. So 21 acres means 84,987 square meter. So multiply 4047 by 21. Then you will get 84,987 square meter. So that means the area of field is how much? 21 acres, that is equal to 84,987 square meter, correct? So now here what we have to find out now here, what is the area of the banana plantation? We should find out what is the area of banana plantation. So he planted 2 upon 7 part of his 21 acres. But we don't know 2 upon 7 means how much, we don't know. So we have to find out 2 upon 7 of 21 acres means how much. So how much is the 2 upon 7 of 21 acres, correct? So here how we will write the answer? Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21 acres, correct? Now, so we should find out what is the 2 upon 7 of 21 acres. 2 upon 7 of 21 acres is equal to how much? So you know this, how to simplify this sum. Here half means what? Multiplication. So we should multiply this fraction with 21. So 2 upon 7, half means multiply sign, multiplication, and 21. Multiply this by 21. So how to multiply this? Numerator by numerator. 2 into 21. Correct? Divide by denominator is 7. So this is equal to 2 into 21 is how much? 21 2s are how much? 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 42. 42 upon denominator is here 7. So it is divisible. So 42 is completely divisible by 7. 7 6 are 42. Correct? So that means Ashok Rao planted bananas on how many acres? 6 acres of the field. Understood? That only we have to find out now. What is the area of banana plantation? What is the area of banana plantation? 6 acres. So therefore, Ashok Rao planted bananas on 6 acres of the field. Okay. So Ashok Rao planted bananas on 6 acres of the field. Now we will move to the third question now. So what is given here in third question? Third question, of the total number of soldiers in our army, 4/9 are posted on the northern border and 1/3 of them on the northeastern border. If the number of soldiers in the north is 5,40,000, how many are posted in the northeast? Students, you read the question carefully and try to understand the question first. So in the question, what is given? The total number of soldiers in north is given 5,40,000, correct? So out of 5,40,000, 4/9 are posted on the northern border. That means they have not mentioned how many soldiers are posted on the northern border. They said only 4/9 are posted on the northern border. So if you find out how many soldiers are posted on the northern border, so what we should do? We should find out first what is 4/9 of 5,40,000. So that you know 4/9 multiplied by 5,40,000. Then you will get how many soldiers are posted on northern border. Okay. Then 1/3 of them on the northeastern border. The 1/3 of them are posted on the northeastern border. 1/3 means how many soldiers? So we don't know how many soldiers are posted, correct? That only we have to find out how many are posted in the northeastern border, correct? So they only said 1/3. So we should find out now 1/3 of 5,40,000 means how much? Okay. So what is 1/3 of 5,40,000? So if you simplify that, then you will get how many soldiers are posted on the northern border. Understood? So here, so we will write the answer. The number of, so how many soldiers are there? Total number of soldiers. So that we will write first. The number of soldiers in the north is 5,40,000, correct? It is given in the question, correct? So out of 5,40,000, 4/9 of the soldiers are posted on which border? Posted on the northern border. Posted on the northern border, correct? And 1/3 of them are posted on the which border? 1/3 northeastern border. On the northeastern border. Okay, this much is given in the question. So now what you have to find out? How many soldiers are posted on northeastern border? So therefore, number of soldiers posted on northeastern border, that is equal to, so we should find out 1/3 of 5,40,000 means how much? Okay, so you have to find out the value of 1/3 of 5,40,000. So simplify this. 1/3 of 5,40,000. So here instead of write multiplication sign. 1/3, 1/3. Of means multiply this by 5,40,000. Okay, so here numerator is 1 and 5,40,000. So multiply numerator by numerator. So 1 into 5,40,000 is 5,40,000 only, correct? So next upon 3. Now divide 5,40,000 by 3. So how much answer you will get if you divide 5,40,000 by 3? So 3 ones are 3. Subtract 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Then take next digit 4. 3 8s are 24. So then subtract, it is 0. Then take next digit 0. So 3 zeros are 0. Correct? Again 0. So next take 0. 3 zeros are 0. Next take 0. One more digit. Correct? Again 3 zeros are 0. Now take again one more 0 is there. So 0. Correct? So that is 3 zeros are 0. Right? So what is the answer we got if you divide by 5,40,000 by 3? So we got 1 lakh. This is how much? 1,000, 10,000. 1,80,000. 1,80,000. So that means what is this 1,80,000? 1,80,000 soldiers are posted on the northeastern border. So therefore 1,80,000 soldiers are posted on the northeastern border. Northeastern border. Okay, understood students? Now this is how to solve. Students, today we have completed practice set 12. So in practice set 12, question number 1. Question number 1, in that 3rd, 5th and 7th one homework. Okay, which one? Question number 1, in that 3rd, 5th and 7th one. So write in your maths homework book. Okay, and the continuation of this lesson will be taught in the next video, that is division of fractions. Okay, thank you.